Aloha everybody and welcome back. Instead of going to the jungle, today we're going into Lightroom. I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. And what we're doing is we're just really focusing on where the sunlight's hitting this thing, removing the background to really capture the essence of this botanical. So let's get started. So here we go. So the first thing, I'll do an auto sometimes to see what it does with it. The second thing I want to do is find my background and isolate the flower or my subject. Let's just start with the background here. And does it recognize what my subject is? A little bit. And some of this you can bring back. It's starting to darken some of this area here. So we'll darken it completely. And we'll go there. And then we're going to come grab grab a radial gradient mask. And try to find the rest of this image in here. Expand that. There we go. Bring that back. You can see a little bit of the green background. Okay, that's a good start. We're still not there yet. So we're going to add a little bit of saturation. The thing about botanicals, I don't mind saturating them because they are full of color anyway. So there we go. And I'm kind of just work each petal at a time. Once you get used to using these masks, it gets a little bit easier. First it can be kind of difficult moving them around, rotating them. But mainly focusing on the light right here. Bringing the exposure down a little bit. No, I don't want to lose this edge and those lines. From here I'll lift the saturation a little bit. It's all about the details. Where you want the eyes to go, even this little spot right here. Kind of making that pop. I'm going to grab another mask. Here, another radial gradient mask. We still have a little bit of light on the top here, so pull the linear mask. The best way to learn these is just move them, these back and forth, and you're going to see what they do. Temperature, maybe a little blue in there. So it's balanced with this up here. The first thing I didn't do is crop it. Usually I like to do that the first thing. I missed that step. Pull this down a little bit. And wherever you feel comfortable with the image. Got a little bit. Something going on here. This is. That. There we go. Let's see how far off we are. take your time with it. Gonna lower the exposure right there. Yeah, if you want to move it around, you just grab this, move it back and forth here. 16 by 9. Looking at all the details. All right, and then it's ready to export. So for export, I usually use custom settings, and from there you can go JPEG, TIFF. I usually go high resolution, as high as I can get, 16 bits. A lot of printers won't take that, so you're gonna have to knock it down to JPEG. Your watermark right here, you can move that around. I don't really like to go too big with it. I usually go with like a 5 or 6. Kind of just know it's there, it's done by you. Hit done, and then you're ready to export it. All good. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. Subscribe, tune in for more, and hit the bell for notifications. Aloha, and thank you.